All right, so I have had a request to do a little lesson on some lettuce. So this right here is butter crunch lettuce. This type of lettuce does amazing in the spring garden. And you can see this little guy's pretty big. So this is a head lettuce. And what you want to do is you're going to cut the entire thing out of the ground. It's like romaine would be. Romaine we've grown in the school garden and it does really great, but you cut the whole head. And again, you can cut it whenever you need to make a salad. The more you cut, you can kind of see this one is a full head of lettuce right here, but then there's another one here. There's actually a couple in here. So if we took this big one out, it would give the other one some space to grow. So you can cut that whenever. You don't have to wait for it to be grocery store size because it might not ever get there. And if you let it go too long in the heat, it gets really tough and not fabulous. Over here, so this is arugula, so not a lettuce, but still a green. And you can see that it has gone to flower, but you can just pick those leaves and you can throw them in your salad. And then if we move over here, this is, and there's a bunch of it here, I'm just gonna come down close. This is another type of lettuce. This is just called leaf lettuce. So what you're gonna do with this is these leaves, when they are big enough, don't mind the weeds surrounding them, when this leaf is big enough, you just pick leaves all throughout. And again, the rule is don't take more than a third of the leaves from one plant, but you can come in here and so this is, there's red, there's some spotted, this is a whole mix of a salad green variety. And then over here is a whole different variety. So you can see the difference in the way the leaves are. So this is just a totally different variety of lettuce mix, which adds flavor. And you don't really think about lettuce having flavor, but in the spring garden, when there isn't very much out here, there's no tomatoes, there's no peppers yet, you get your flavor from the greens. And you can't really buy that in a grocery store because it wilts so quickly that this is the one thing you can grow for your own salad that you can actually not buy in the grocery store. All right, so hope that helps.